What we do here is go back.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to answer a couple of questions, that way you can get to know me, because it's only right if you get to know a little bit about me. Yeah, so you get to know something about Okay, so I'm just gonna answer a couple of questions, just basic questions about myself. Okay, so the first question is, what is your full name? And my full name is Estefany Melissa Davila Sanchez. But I just go by Fanny because it's much easier. I don't know, I've always gone by that since I was little. When is your birthday? So my birthday is July 7th and I was born in 2000. So I am 19 years old and I'll be turning 20 in about 2 months. Where were you born? I was born in Durham, North Carolina. Where do you currently live? I live in Hillsborough, North Carolina. It's really small here. There's not much to do. How tall are you? I am about 5'2". I'm a pretty short person. What is your zodiac sign? I am a Cancer. I got a tattoo of a crab behind my ear because I'm a Cancer. Do you have any siblings? I do. I have 3 siblings. I have an older sister who is 22, a younger sister who is 15, and a younger brother who is, I think, 12 or 13. And then there's me, who's 19. What is your talent? Clearly, makeup. Makeup is my only talent. That's it. I don't have any other talent, just makeup. Are you left or right-handed? I am right-handed. I cannot do anything with my left. One word that describes you. One word to describe myself, I think, would just be funny. Because I'm pretty funny. Are you single or taken? I'm very single. Okay, next question. Just kidding. I am taken. I am taken by my amazing boyfriend. How long was your longest relationship? I am currently in my longest relationship now. I consider this to be my only real relationship, and we've been dating for about almost 3 years. Do you use sarcasm a lot? I use it way too much, I think. It got to the point where people cannot tell. Isn't that the point of sarcasm? I don't know. I use sarcasm a lot though. Are you or have you ever gone to college? No. I've never gone to college. It has never been anything that interested me, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just not a college girl, really. No, I don't feel left out for not going to college. I did actually go to cosmetology school, but then I dropped out. If you want a story time on why I dropped out of cosmetology school and why it just wasn't for me specifically, then I can do a story time on that. Also, just kind of to give you guys the intake on like what cosmetology school is kind of like and what you learn, how it is, and if it's worth it and if it's for you. So yeah, if you want a story time on that and my advice on it, then just let me know so I can do it. Have you participated in any sports? I used to do swimming back in the day and I really liked it, but I got out. I don't even remember why I got out, but I regret it because I feel like I would have been a really good swimmer right now if I would have stayed in swimming, but I didn't. So now I forgot how to swim. Do you have any pets? No, I don't. I did have a dog and he passed away. Well, we had to put him down last year. He was with us for a long time, maybe like 13-14 years, but he did have cancer, so we had to put him down, and he was just really old. Although I do want another dog, I feel like I'm honestly not ready for another dog. I really want one, but I know in me that I'm not ready for another dog. I just missed my Beppo, and if I could, I'd make him my pet for the rest of my life. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. I know, basic girly pink, but I like the soft pastel soft. I literally just say soft. I'm so dumb. Pink, not the hot pink. My room is white, gray, and pink. I don't know, those 3 colors together, I just love them. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. I speak Spanish and English. Okay, so my last question is, what are your life goals? So if we're speaking about personal life goals, then obviously I want to have my own family and my own home and have children and be able to raise kids. And if we're speaking about my makeup career goals, then I would definitely love to have my own makeup palette, specifically with BH Cosmetics, because I hands down love BH Cosmetic products and their palette. They have really good palettes and they're just really, I don't know, I just love BH Cosmetics. So yeah, that's all the questions I have for this video. If there's anything else you would like to know about me, just ask. I'm free to open any questions. It's me again, but with no makeup, so clearly I'm dumb and I said I'm free to open any questions, but we all know that's not possible. I meant to say I'm free to answer any questions. That's what I meant, not open. So excuse my dumbness. That's why I didn't go to college. Maybe not any questions, but most questions. Hopefully you got to learn a few things about me that you didn't already know or just didn't know at all. Yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram to see all of my makeup pictures and just a little bit of my personal life. And thank you for watching.